Children, let's continue with chapter 17, perimeter and area. Today we are going to do word problems of exercise 17.1. Let's do question 5. The length of a rectangular field is 82 meter if its perimeter is 248 meter. What is its breadth? So children, here we are given length of a rectangular field is equal to 82 meter. Perimeter is equal to 248 meter and we have to find out the breadth. Now we know twice of length plus breadth is equal to perimeter of a rectangular field. Substitute the value of length and perimeter from the question. So we have twice of 82 plus breadth we have to find out. So we write B is equal to 248. Transpose 2 to the other side. Here it is being multiplied. So on transposing it will get divided. So we have 82 plus B is equal to 248 upon 2. Cancel out the common factor. We get here 82 plus B is equal to 124. Now transpose 82 to the other side. Here it is being added. So on transposing it will get subtracted. So we have breadth is equal to 124 minus 82. So breadth is equal to 42 meter. Now let's do question 7. A tabletop measures 2 meter 15 centimeter by 1 meter 25 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? Children, here we are given length of a tabletop is equal to 2 meter 15 centimeter. Let's convert into 1 unit. So let's convert meters into centimeters. And we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So it is equal to 215 centimeter. Now breadth of the tabletop is 1 meter 25 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. So it is equal to 125 centimeter. Now perimeter is equal to twice of length plus breadth. So we have twice of 215 plus 125. On adding we get 2 into 340 and on multiplying we get 680 centimeter, which can be written as 6 meter 80 centimeter. Now let's do question 9. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 175 meters at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So children, here we are given side of a square is equal to 175 meter and cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to rupees 20 and we have to find out the total cost of fencing. Now for finding out the cost of fencing, we have to find out the perimeter of the square. So perimeter is equal to number of sides, which are 4, into length of its side, which is 175. So we get here 700 meters. Now cost of fencing 1 meter is equal to rupees 20. And now cost of fencing 700 meter, that is its perimeter, is equal to rupees 20 into 700, which is equal to rupees 14,000. Now let's do question 10. 4 regular hexagons are drawn to form the design as shown in the figure. If the perimeter of the design is 28 centimeter, find the length of each side of the hexagon. Now children, here we are given perimeter is equal to 28 centimeter. Now perimeter here means the outline of the design. So let's trace the outline of the design. Now children, let's suppose that each side is equal to x centimeter. Now if you count, there are 14 sides of this design. So the perimeter is equal to 14 into length of each side, which is x centimeter. Now let's substitute value of perimeter from the question, which is 28. So 28 is equal to 14 into x, or we can write it as 14 into x is equal to 28. So x is equal to 28 upon 14. So we get here x is equal to 2 centimeter. So the length of each side of the hexagon is 2 centimeter. Now let's do question 12. A rectangular piece of land measures 0.5 kilometer by 0.3 kilometer, and each side is to be fenced with 3 rows of wire. What is the length of the wire needed? Now length is equal to 0.5 kilometers and breadth is equal to 0.3 kilometer. Children, we have to find out the length of the wire needed for 3 rounds of fencing. Now we will measure wire in meters, so we need to convert length and breadth into meters, and we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 0.5 kilometers is equal to 0.5 into 1000 meters, which is equal to 500 meters. And 0.3 kilometer is 0.3 into 1000 meters, which is equal to 300 meters. Now to find out how much wire is needed for 1 round of fencing, we need to find out the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to twice of length plus breadth. So we have twice of 500 plus 300. So we get twice of 800, which is equal to 1600 meters. So the length of wire for 1 round is equal to 1600 meters, and the length of wire needed for 3 rounds is equal to 3 into 1600 meters, which is equal to 4800 meters. Now let's do question number 14. Fencing the compound of a house cost rupees 4930. If the rate is rupees 85 per meter, find the perimeter of the compound. If the breadth is 10 meter, then find its length also. So children, here we are given cost of fencing the compound is equal to rupees 4930, and the rate per meter is rupees 85, and breadth is 10 meters, and we have to find out the perimeter of the compound and length of the compound. Now children, we know that cost of fencing is equal to perimeter into rate per unit. Let's substitute the value of cost of fencing and rate from the question. So we have here 4930 is equal to perimeter into 85, or we can write it as perimeter into 85 is equal to 4930. Transpose 85 to the other side. Here it is being multiplied, so on transposing it will get divided. So we have perimeter is equal to 4930 upon 85, and on dividing we get here 58. So perimeter is equal to 58 meters and breadth is equal to 10 meters. And let's find out the length, and we know twice of length plus breadth is equal to perimeter. Now let's substitute the values of breadth and perimeter. So we have twice of, we have to find out length, so we write L plus 10 is equal to 58. Transpose 2 to the other side, it will get divided. So we have length plus 10 is equal to 58 upon 2. Cancel out the common factor. So we get here L plus 10 is equal to 29. Now transpose 10 to the other side, so it will get subtracted. So we have length is equal to 29 minus 10, which is equal to 19 meters. Children, I hope you have understood all these questions. Now for worksheet questions, do exercise 17.1, questions 6, 8, 11, 13 and 15. Stay safe.